The following program is rated PG. Hello, CTV fam. Welcome to another exciting edition of CTV Exclusive, your front row seat to the stars. My name is Dom Holiday. Today, we have a very special guest that's been making waves to the P-pop scene. They are a rising girl group. No, not just for their catchy songs, but also for their incredible teamwork, creativity, and unique personalities. So each member brings something special to the group. At ngayon, we'll get to hear their stories from their training, pre-debut, and what inspires them as artists. So please welcome our guest this afternoon, Wing!
Hi everyone!
I'm Mayaka.
I'm G. I'm Audrey. I'm Angelica.
And we are
Wing!
Hello po!
Hello po!
Thank you
Hello.
for having us po.
Hello, girls. Thank you for joining us today on the show. And I want to, first and foremost, congratulate you on your first single, Tulala. It was doing well on Spotify. Congratulations.
Thank you so much po.
All right. Before we move on, before we start, I want to ask one question lang before we start. Ano ba ang huling bagay na napatulala sa inyo? Share with us something na made you stop, stare, or just say, wow. Ano ba yung huling bagay na napatulala sa iyo?
Ako po yung guesting po namin sa Trimex College. Parang super dami pong tao nun, almost, 5,000 people. 5 people. Ang dami nga. Ang dami.
People!
5,000 po.
Hanggang
Tapos, we requested po na i-turn on po nila yung flashlights nila. So while we were performing our cover song Tala, nakabukas po yung flashlights nila sa phone. Yun po, natulala ako dun. Kasi sobrang ganda. And nakaka-fulfill po siya ng heart.
Yes, what about yung Mariel? Jean?
Ako naman po,
Ayan.
siguro yung huling nakapagpatulala sa akin yung comeback poster namin ng Tatlong Hiling. Kasi matagal na po namin siyang iniintay and matagal na po kami nagpe-prepare for it. And now na nakita na namin yung comeback poster and masyashare na namin sa Winkies and sa iba pang mga tao yung pinaghirapan din namin for this song. And yeah, we're very excited. We're very excited! And it will be out on October 15. Excited!
Yung Mariel, yung Audrey.
Ako naman po, every time na, nung last guesting po kasi namin, parang ang daming new faces ng mga Winkies. So, padami na po sila ng padami. So, yun, natutulala po.
Ayun, ako naman po, nung nakita ko po, for the first time, yung choreo ng aming next single.
Wow!
So, very
Korean.
exciting.
Anong choreo? Anong next
Anong
single?
Korean?
Paano yun?
Anong next single? Yung Tatlong
Badu.
Ay, yung Baduy!
Sobrang exciting yung new choreo. So, looking forward to it.
And yung last but not the least, Jean?
Same?
Same po with Ayaka po. Kasi po, nung pong nag-cover song po kami ng Tala sa Trimex Colleges, super natulala po ako nun kasi akala ko po wala pong mag-on talaga ng flashlight. Tapos nung nakita ko po nag-start po from pinakataas. Tapos biglang, ayan na, naglabasan na po yung flashlight. So tulala po talaga.
people.
Maluha-luha pa tayo. Maluha-luha pa po sabi ko sa kanila, wow! Habang nasa stage, tinitigan. Ayun po yung last time.
Buti na lang nga nasabi na 5,000 people ang pumunta. 5 people lang. Kung ganun, it would be a langaw. Wag naman sana. Pero hindi na dapat langawin to kasi magaling silang mga binibini. I'm pretty sure of that. So, let's get started na. So, personally, for each of you, what does yung second chance mean to each of you beyond what's in your group's name and concept?
Ayun po, so beyond Wings concept, yung second chance nga po, it's something na I felt deeply sa aking journey. Since I came from a dance background, hindi pa ganun ka-clear yung path ko into music. And joining this group, Wink, it gave me a second chance to express myself in a new way.
Wow. For me naman po, second chance, another chance for me to keep doing what I love and to pursue what makes me happy.
So, for me po kasi, I once lost my spark sa performing. And now na may second chance na po ulit kami, what? It's another opportunity to show my growth as a person and as an artist and to continue my passion for music and for performing.
Actually, kind of the same po. So I started performing when I was little. Tapos parang nag-stop po ako. Then, eto nga po, another opportunity, another chance to pursue my passion for music. Ito po yung nagsilbing parang dahilan kung bakit masaya po ulit ako ngayon na nagpe-perform.
Same po with them. Si Ate Audrey naman po, since from dancing naman po siya, from singing naman po ako. Nag-join po ako before ng mga TV, singing competitions. And doon ko po na-realize na gusto ko pong mag-perform like not only singing but also dancing. So I think it's a second chance for me na makapag-perform din po in a new way. Sabi nga ni Wink Audrey.
Yeah. Natutuwa ako. Yung mga nagsimula kayo sa mga iba't-ibang paths, like, for example, si Mariel and G nag-joins The Boys Kids, Season 3.
Yes.
Then, merong songwriting, may mga nag-dance. So, what's one thing na natutunan nyo from those earlier experiences that still guides you today?
Ako po, one thing I really took with me is how to handle failure. Kasi
Failure.
failure.
Failure?
Hindi na ako failure kasi parang it's something na it's not just something na that defines us, but it's something that shapes us.
Sino? Bato, Pix.
Ako pala. Wala sa kanya dala ako pala. Ako naman po, always go back to your whys. Kung bakit ka nagsimula. And mahalin mo po yung passion mo and always, wag kang magsistick kung sa ano ka lang ngayon. Parang always strive to be better, mahalin mo yung passion mo, and stay consistent. Yun po.
Ako naman po, personally, yung po mismong experience po itself, yun po yung nagbigay po sa akin ng confidence para po makapag-perform. Whenever po na, kunyari, before po mag-perform, syempre kinakabahan po, normal lang naman po yun. Pero iniisip ko na lang po yung mga experiences ko before na, kumakanta na ako buong buhay ko. So, I should just do it kung paano ko siya ginagawa normally. Parang ganun.
Normally.
For me naman po, pinaka-natutunan ko throughout my journey is that fear is your greatest enemy, but it doesn't have to control you.
Wow!
Kasi po,
Wow!
Doesn't have to what?
and it doesn't have to control you. Kasi ever since, grabe po yung fear ko. Every time nagpa-perform ako, laging may fear, may takot. Kaya ang daming lost opportunities. Kaya ngayon na medyo lumaki.
Lumaki nga talaga. Lumaki yung height niya.
Ayun
Sana.
po, parang yun pa yung pinaka-nilalabanan ko na. And I'm happy doing what I love.
Ako naman po, mixture ng sa kanila. Kasi before, takot din po akong mag-fail naman. Takot akong mag-fail, takot akong magkamali. Pero meron po kaming favorite band ni Ate Angelica. Tapos may isang po sila. Tapos yung chorus nakalagay, walang between kapag walang kadiliman. So, natutunan ko rin pong mag-learn dun sa mga failures at sa mistakes, and natutunan ko dapat di ko siya katakutan and take ko siya constructively. At para malaman ko kung ano pa dapat ko improve sa pag-perform ko and sa sarili ko po. And aim po.
And I just admit na lahat tayo merong pinagdadaanan lately, pero if there's one thing I learned in my experience, tama nga yung sinasabi nila, experience is the best teacher. Tama naman, di ba? Everyone.
Yes.
Yes!
naamin ko na sa dami ng na-interview ko, hindi ko na mabilang ilan. Ang saya nila so far. Pero I love it. So, Angelica has songwriting credits even before Wink. Alam niyo ba, siya yung nagsulat ng Pantropiko ng Dini.
Wow.
Everyone knows that.
Thank you po.
So, does that change kung paano kayo nagko-collaborate bilang isang grupo at paano mo binabalance ang individual strengths and group decisions, Angelica?
For me po, it doesn't change how I collaborate, but it adds another layer to it po. Since with collaborating po for a song, parang nagkakaroon kami ng ideas, lahat ng composers, like kasama ko po si Sir Jumbo de Belen, Sir Matt Olavides, and Sir Pao Chavez. Lahat po may different atake sa music. So parang din ko po natutunan na on how we collaborate as a group po, kailangan nagsistick kami, dapat at the end, magsistick kami as one and dapat nagre-resonate yung magiging outcome as Wink pa rin.
Yes. Kaya natutuwa ako isipin na maraming natutuwa sa inyo right now. And when working with Flip Music, meron ba kayong naramdaman na kahit anong pressure to fit in a particular mold sa P-pop? Or meron ba kayong, or did they give you space to explore who you truly are?
Actually po, bago po kasi kami maging girl group, we were originally solo artists po. So kanya-kanya, meron po kami kanya-kanyang 2 songs. May 2 songs each po kami. And during that time po na solo artist pa lang po kami, parang naging chance po siya for us to explore po kung ano talaga yung at magiging atake namin as an artist. So, yun po yung parang naging chance namin to explore kung ano yung gusto naming flavor sa music, kung ano yung gusto naming vibe? Grabe naman sa vibes. Vibe sa, if you would check our music videos po sa, yun nga, sa songs namin, dun nyo po talaga makikita kung, yung personalities po namin mismo, yung individualities. So, parang more of like, fun experience rather than a challenge. Parang hindi po talaga siya pressure for us nung working with Flip Music, hindi po talaga siya pressure. Super fun po lagi kasi we get to collaborate with, talented artists, co-artists, and producers po.
Yes. At saka maraming natuwa sa Flip Music na yun. Maraming hits ang nagawa, like yung Pantropiko, obviously. Everyone fell in love. Kahit everyone, kahit saan man, makita mo, Bini and all that. Pero kahit marinig mo lang yung tan, 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 alam na. Mapapasayaw ka na. So, we're not enough na. So your debut, Tulala, has a dreamy first love vibe musically. Kung magsusulat kayo ng kanta na tells a completely different emotion, surprise me whatever it is, what would that be and why?
Wow. Different. Siguro po for me, parang gusto ko pong magkaroon kami ng kanta na mas ballad, parang inspirational song about our experiences since yung about the second chances, ganun po. Inspirational.
Super same!
Same.
What she said.
Parang something about life po na madaming makaka-relate, hopefully.
And if you can give it a title, ano kaya yon?
Title.
Uy! Ano kaya?
Dalawang
Pangalawa pa.
To be continued.
Ano po kasi parang
To be announced.
most of the times parang yung title po minsan sa huli na siya na after mo ma-write yung song tsaka mo ito yung title ng kantang to, or minsan naman mas nauuna yung title.
Tapos doon nagbe-base.
Opo. So sana matagpuan po namin kung ano po yung title ng
Abangan nyo na lang po, malay nyo po, di ba? Mag-release kami.
Oo nga, malay natin, pag na-release yung ballad single yon about second chances, Baka maging patok yan. Anyway.
Sana po. Ikaw.
Anyway, so living, training, and debuting together must shape daily life in unique ways. Ano ba something na unexpected that you've discovered about each other off stage?
Um, I think it's the yung mga habits po namin, like
Yes.
sa daily life po talaga.
Yeah.
Kasi po, before, kilala lang po namin yung isa't isa as artists.
Nakikita
ganyan.
lang sa office.
Nakikita lang po kami sa office, pero nung nagkasama na po kami sa isang dorm, nung po namin nakikita yung habits ng isa, ay ayaw niya pala sa ganito, gusto niya pala ng ganito. Like yung mga small things lang po, yung po yung mga na-discover namin sa isa't isa.
Takot sa dilim, dapat ba nakabukas yung ilaw?
Ilaw,
pag
dapat ba
tulog? Or
nakapatay?
dapat ba may isang ilaw na
Pero may isa pa po, akala ko po kasi weird na akong tao, tapos nakatagpo po ako ng mas weird pa pala sa
Ano
Kala
kaya yung
ko-
weird na yan?
Ano ba? Oo, sabi ko, makakagawa ba ako ng friends sa Manila kasi sa ganito yung personality.
nila ako?
Pero mas ano pa po sila, mas extreme pa po pala sila.
Mas igugulo pa pala.
Yun po.
Yan ang rason kung bakit ako minsan, very weird akong tao. Minsan, magulo ang bed ko and all. I'm more weirder than anyone else. Pero it's fine kasi it's what makes us unique. Kaya masaya maging iba, ika nga. I love this. Okay. Ayaka's blend of Filipino-Japanese background is a unique voice. So, paano ba nag-shape ang yung creative approach or perspective within the group, Ayaka?
Siguro po dahil nga po dalawa po yung ano ba tawag doon? Yung culture po na pinanggalingan ko na share ko po minsan yung way of living ko sa Japan, yung ano ba tawag dito? Yung discipline po, ganun. Sa practice po, ganyan. And also, sa fashion-wise po, mahilig po kasi ako sa fashion. So, minsan po, nag-share ako kila ate ng mga inspos, ganyan. So, nararamdaman ko pa parang, mas diverse po ngayon yung style po ng Wink dahil nag-share po kami. Hindi lang po sa Japan actually, sa Pinterest po, super tambay po kami sa Pinterest. Ayun.
Natutuwa ako, si pero mas
And tinuturuan ko
na-
din po sila ng Japanese po minsan. Hi! So, parang pag nagsasalita pa ako ng random word sa Japanese, naiintindihan po nila.
Ooh, interesting. And I have to ask this, Ayaka.
Yes
Did you
po.
meron ka bang time na nakalimutan mo at sabi mo, itadakimasu!
Opo. Lagi po.
Natutunan na din na po namin
Kunyari po, kakain po kami sa public, sabi-sabi po, itadakimasu! Opo, may accent pa, may tono.
Okay, Audrey. Audrey came from a dance-focused past rather than singing. So, ano bang intersection of movement and music do you think na magsa-stand out ang Wink?
Kami pong Wink, we don't separate movement from music. So, it's completely, intertwined. Wow! So, yung choreography po namin, it's not just an add to the song, but it's part of the storytelling, the emotion. And yung Wink's music naman po, it's not just something that you would listen, but it's something to experience.
Yes.
Ayan, thank you po.
Nakaka-excite naman yung...
Na parang nandun ka lang po sa same room, kinakwentuhan ka po namin.
In case you just joined us, si Mariel and Jean, they first linked sa The Boys Kid Season 3 and then later, they linked through social media as ngayon, members. Paano ba ang personal connection nyo evolve once you started working together?
I guess since dati po, nag-meet po kami nung mga bata pa kami. Siyempre playful pa po kami nun. And ngayon, mas nag-mature na yung relationship namin and mas nagkaroon kami ng personal connection since we live together now. So, ngayon, parang mas marami kami natututunan about each other and other members, parang, and we learn from each other sa mga experiences namin in life. And, yeah,
Yes.
mas naging personal.
Super bata pa po kasi kami nung nagkakilala po kami. So,
Kung ano-ano pa yung
kung ano-ano pa yung mga trip namin sa buhay. So, sobrang ibang-iba po kami simula po nung dati pa po as
9 years ago.
the boys, kids, girlies.
Tapos
Tapos ngayon, wink girlies. Super
Yeah.
iba na po yung personality po namin. Kaya parang ngayon pa lang po talaga namin nakilala yung isa't isa in a deeper level.
Yes.
Yes! Deeper.
I must ask pala this one, nagkakausap ba kayo sa mga dati niyong batchmates sa TBK?
Opo.
Yes po.
Meron pa rin po kaming mga friends na nakakilala namin sa The Voice. And hanggang ngayon, nagsusupport pa din po sila. Now, na-wink na kami since nasa isang friend group din po kami kahit magkaiba kami ng
Ng
team. Opo.
I forgot kung anong naging team, pero alam ko sina Bamboo at Leia at saka si Sharon. Si
Opo.
Sharon ha, hindi si Sarah G. Kung si Sarah G yan, ako po. Sure win.
Siya po is
Dito lang.
Camp Hawaiian. Team
Yes
Bamboo.
po. Team Bamboo po
Tapos
ako.
ako naman po Team Sharon po.
So, sa Filipino music, sino ba ang look up to besides for local icons and groups, either creatively or personally, for inspiration? You've cited like Sarah G, Casey Tandingan, Donlin Bartolome, at saka yung mga P-pop groups like BNS B19. So, sino pa ba yung mga you look up to? Sino pa ba?
Aside from them.
Aside from them. Yes.
Yes, Cup of Joe po. Sobrang nilook up po namin siya. You're a fan po. Kasi po, yung music po nila, very inspiring. Pati po yung story po nila. Sa kung ano na sila ngayon. So, Cup of Joe.
I gotta ask this kasi... Go ahead.
Ano po, si Sir TJ Monterde po, dahil I watched a video po, hindi ko na po matandaan kung saan, pero kinakwento niya po doon na it took him 15 years para po marating yung stage sa Araneta na madami pong nanonood sa kanya. So parang, doon ko po na-realize na parang may right timing talaga si God para sa'yo. Kung dadating yung time mo, kailangan mo lang maging consistent talaga at pagsipagan. Yun po.
Amen. God has a perfect timing with that. Talaga. Amen talaga sa mga... So, please, don't forget to pray, guys. Biro lang yun.
Wink success!
So, all right. So, moving on na tayo. So, you mentioned Cup of Joe, right?
Yes.
I want to say this. Nakuha ba kayo ng tickets para sa concert nila?
Secret na lang po kung anong day. Pero we will be there. As to.
Oh, good God. Sana makukuha ko yung ng ticket. Magaling. Yung latest concert nila, abangan natin. Alright. So, in terms of performance, meron ba kayong specific artists or experiences na outside of music na nag-inspire sa inyo to carry yourselves on stage? Pwede sa film, theater, dance, kahit anong larangan.
Ako po si, if you know Bailey Sok.
Oh, yeah.
Ano po siya, dancer and choreographer po. And she used to choreograph K-pop artists, K-pop groups. And ayun po, parang na-inspire ako sa kanya kasi parang we share the same story. Like before po, nung nagko-choreo po ako for artist, parang I see myself more than choreographer. Nabivisualize ko rin po yung sarili ko as artist.
Ngayon tinuloy mo na. Artist ka na.
Yeah. Si Bailey Sok din idol na rin siya.
Ano, Audrey Sok.
Okay,
Sok
see,
po
what
po,
else?
ano po siya,
Okay.
Part, anong all-day project.
Ikaw.
I'm sorry?
Ako naman po, sa dancer side din, si Ira Kasim po.
Wow.
Well, grabe kasi yung
Wow.
ano niya, grabe po yung stage presence niya and yung mga facial expressions niya when she dances. And parang, in-express niya lang po talaga kung ano yung nararamdaman niya. And it's something na gusto ko pong ma-achieve. Siyempre kasi sa songs, as a performer, dapat maramdaman ng tao yung kung ano yung, kung tungkol saan yung song. So, ayun po talaga. Miss Ira Kasim.
Are you with
Ate Ira. Hello.
What about yung others?
Ano ba? Sa akin po, parang
Hindi kasi outside music yun sa akin.
Miss Ann Curtis po.
Wow.
Pinaka-idol ko po. Tawag dito.
Kaya pala
Gusto ko
nabubulol
po
ka,
yung
no?
how she carries herself po. Pag nagmo-model siya, super confident. Tapos, classy. Very classy and super mabait po na tao po.
At sana wag kang mabulol kahit papaano.
Ano po?
Sana po walang mabulol na mangyari kahit papaano.
Capsicum. Capsicum.
Mga bulol.
Mga bul.
Cute.
Okay lang po, cute po si Miss Anne.
Yes, true. Such a goddess. Yun lang.
She really is.
Okay, next.
Ako po, sa film side naman po, may nakita po ako recently. Dinouble check ako kung tama ba yan. Ayun po, yung merong new Gen Z director who made history as the first Filipina sa ibang bansa for short film section. So, very inspiring kasi since same kami ng age group, pero grabe na yung narrative. So, ayun po, siya po. Yung nilolook up ko.
Wow. Ang laki ng pinagbago na una. Okay, one more, I guess. Okay na.
Yung sa akin po, okay lang po ba if hindi po outside music?
Pwede naman outside music.
Kahit hindi po outside music po. Kasi po,
Pwede naman. Okay lang.
ako, ayun po. Kasi po yung sa akin po, yung naging inspiration ko po to perform po talaga is, nag-start po nung naging K-pop fan po ako. I super love Wonyoung and Jennie po. Jennie po from Blackpink and Wonyoung from IVE. Sila pong dalawa.
Oh, I'm so glad na merong K-pop fans pa rin.
Yeah.
I hope may makapunta kayo sa concert nila soon.
Lahat po kami K-pop fans.
Yeah. We enjoy their music.
Yes. Pero sino ba ang pinaka-bias nyo?
Wonyoung!
Jungkook!
Ako po,
Si Jungkook po.
Ako po, Blackpink Lisa.
Same.
Same.
Wala po akong like
Rose.
main bias, pero twice.
Si San.
17.
Ako po, I
XG.
XG. Harvey. Madami po kaming ini-stan.
Honey.
Yes. Natutuwa. Now, I just want to say na your pre-debut solo tracks na nag-showcase ng yung individuality. So, paano ba yung creative freedom impacted you on how you approach new projects as a group?
During our pre-debut solo tracks po, we discovered nga po yung aming individuality and that helped us match each other po. Nagkaroon po kami ng kanya-kanyang character that blended into and naging wing po. Parang yung kanya-kanyang character, yung character po niya, parang pag pinagsama-sama po, yun na po yung puzzle piece ulit. Yun na si puzzle piece at naging wing po yung aming final camper.
Tapos some of us din po, katulad po ni Ate Angelica, she wrote her own song like Alon and ako po sa part ko meron din po. Tapos yung iba po nag-a-add din po ng adlib. So sa mga songs po namin as a group naman, nag-a-add po sila ate halimbawa sa tulala ng mga ad-libs, backups, and yun po. Super fun po kasi nakaka-explore lang po kami kung ano po yung gusto naming i-add na sa tingin namin babagay sa song gagawin po namin.
Hindi
Hinahayaan
nahayaan
lang.
po. Hindi nahayaan po nila kami mag-add kung ano po yung gusto po namin sa music.
Performance-wise naman si
Ate Audrey.
Part po siya ng choreo team.
Dadalawan na naman sila.
Ayun po. And also
Hi,
sa video po namin, siya po yung gumawa ng choreo ng mga singles namin. Naningning sila po and
Extra time.
And ayun nga po, since yung Flip Music po, they respected our different backgrounds, whether ayun nga po sa songwriting, singing, dancing, and inalaw po nila kami to build something that felt real to us. And ayun po, I think ayun po yung reason na sa pag-shape ng Wink's identity in such an honest way.
Yes. Honestly, maraming natutuwa na yun. I keep saying that, pero ang daming talaga natuwa nung pumasok kayo sa P-pop scene. Maraming ang P-pop groups na dumating lately, and I just want to say the P-pop genre is truly one of the reasons why we keep going. Kasi maraming bagong artists, maraming bagong groups, maraming lahat na making a way to the P-pop industry, and I just want to say P-pop is going to pave its way even further. So, in that case, meron tayong bagong singles. Actually, there are lots of new singles lined up, pero itong focus natin na yung Tatlong Hiling. Without spoiling too much, kasama na din ang Baduy. Meron pang iba, pero we'll focus on Tatlong Hiling for now kasi yan ang bago yung single. So, without spoiling too much, what's one emotion or reaction na you hope na maramdaman ng mga fans when they hear what's next?
Reaction. Ma-feel po nila, sana po ma-feel nila na one word. Ang hirap eh. One word po.
Kahit anong emotion. One emotion or reaction.
One emotion.
Parang,
pala.
Mararamdaman, parang okay lang mangarap.
Joyful.
joy.
Hopeful.
Mixed emotions.
Mixed emotions.
And
Excitement.
Yes. Very different po kasi yung mga tracks. Parang sobrang magkaiba sila sa isa't isa. And sobrang mixed emotions. Mapipil lang kasi merong mellow music, merong super pop music na sobrang ma-hype sila and ma-enjoy nila.
Yes, enjoy natin yung mga bagong yung songs, and I'm sure you hope yung mga other fans na nasa P-pop community subreddit na very vocal about hopes and expectations. So, isang example, one fan shared na the girls can write and sing. Combine that with dancing, epic tier combo. It seems like lahat ng mga fans sa P-pop community subreddit are very excited about the creative mix that you girls will offer. So, meron akong tanong regarding that one. Do you ever pick sa mga online reactions, and how do public hopes affect what you want to show or say as bilang artist? Kahit sino pwede sumagot.
Ayun po. Yes po, minsan nagtitip kami. Hanggang, kahit pinagbabawal po kami at times magbasa ng comments. Pero, ayun po, very, very happy po sa mga comments and feedbacks. Pero, we don't let it pressure us po at times. And
We use it to motivate po ourselves, to uplift one another po. Pero I think sa ngayon po, mas pinapakinggan po namin yung isa't isa. Kung ano po yung nafe-feel namin talaga. Kasi po, kami lang naman po magkakasama mas malapit. So, pag may nadadown po, kami lang din yung nagpapatawa sa isa't isa. Pero ayan po, hindi naman po talaga mawawala yung negative comments. Pero mas pinibigyan po namin importance yung mga positive comments from our fans, from the Winkies po.
Yes. Yes, indeed. Kasi what drives us yung positivity. It's what makes the world go round. of course.
Yes.
So alam natin na si Paul Chavez is your vocal and performance coach. Anong piece of advice from him na nagre-resonate pa rin hanggang ngayon?
Sa akin po yung yung visualization before po mag-perform. Kunyari po, meron po kaming event, kunyari po next week, ganito ganyan, tapos Friday, binivisualize po namin yung venue. Actually ako po, sinesearch ko po or tinitingnan ko po ano itsura ng stage, kung ano po itsura ng mga audience po na ano. So, doon po, binivisualize ko po kung paano ko po i-perform yung songs po namin. And super nakatulong po yun kasi by the time po na magpe-perform na po talaga kami, mas parang familiar na po ako.
For me po yung
Oh.
black box na tinatawag niya. Kasi parang sa black box po, parang before ka mag-perform, iiwan mo lahat ng worries mo, lahat ng negative thoughts mo, lalagay mo siya sa black box. Tapos parang mamaya mo na siya i-deal with. Parang isipin mo muna yung performance, ganun, para mas makapag-focus po kami sa kung anong gusto namin mangyari sa performance. Paano?
Ganto.
Performance namin.
Black box.
And yeah, the black box. Ang mahiwagang black box.
May isa pa po siyang sinasabi lagi, might as well.
Yes,
Ayun.
might as well.
Na kung nandun ka lang din naman, might as well.
Do it.
Gawin mo na lang din po. Kunyari,
best.
natatakot ka, kinakabahan ka, pero you need to do it. Gawin mo na lang kung ano dapat mong gawin and
Might
give
as
it your all. Might as well. Yun po.
And hindi mahalaga kung gaano ka kagaling kapag hindi mo ina-enjoy yung ginagawa.
Tama.
Ay, akin naman po, pinaka-tumatak sa akin is to push our limits with every training. Kasi sinasabi po niya na pag comfortable, parang hindi ka nag-grow. Pag uncomfortable, dun mo na malalaman na natututo ka. Ayun po. And we learn every day.
And I just want to point out na walang kinalaman yan sa TV Plus, no, na yung black box na yan. Wala.
Wala po. Tinago po naman yung black box ngayon. Wala po.
Pero I just want to say na I learned a lot from you girls and maraming beses na tayong nagsasabi, you might as well take that opportunity kasi there's no harm if you want to risk it kasi walang mawawala sa'yo kapag if you want to try. Agree ako diyan kasi sa totoo lang, it took me a lot of attempts to go through this situation that I'm going through right now pero might as well, ika nga.
As well.
You never know what to expect for what, even though reporter lang ako and I'm just doing what I do, might as well do some other stuff kasi walang mawawala sa'yo kundi yung kaba and all that. So, looking ahead, suppose na 1 year from now, Wink could surprise you with something, whether growth, sound, or kahit project. What would you love that surprise to be? Ano bang surprise ang gusto nyo 1 year from now?
Surprise!
Hello?
For me po, ma-line up sa isang music festival. Like Aurora Music. Baka naman. Joke lang.
1 year.
1 year. Siguro po, solo, parang concert. Even concert. Pero, since by that time, we already have an album. So, parang, we would love to perform our songs to you guys, to our Winkies. Kaya,
Nabuo na po yung
yeah, nabuo na yung album. And, yes, sana. Kayo.
Yan. Okay na. What about the others?
By that time, siguro mas marami na rin pong mga nakaka-appreciate ng music namin.
Yes. More Winkies.
Yes.
Ano
just
po?
hope for-
Ayun nga. Katulad, yung dagdag ko lang po sa sinabi ni Ate Mariel, pag nagpo-perform po kami, sana po madami na pong sumasabay po. Yung alam po talaga yung lyrics po ng songs namin, may nakikisayaw po kasi po masaya, parang masaya din po mag-perform pag nakikita po namin nag-enjoy po yung audience.
Very good. Nakaka-enjoy naman. I mean, from personal experience, nakaka-enjoy talaga na manood ng concerts talaga sa personal. Especially nung pumunta ako sa isang event nung August. Still cannot get over it. Ah. Easter Day. Hope to do it again next year sa Easter Day 2026. Before we go, I want to get my random thought of the day, yung my usual thoughts about this interview. So, alam nating lahat na life is full of second chances. Sometimes, it's the pause, the stumble, or yung moment na mapapatulala sa'yo that gives us the clearest path forward. Remember, don't be afraid to start again kasi you never know what life lies ahead. And that's my random thought of the day.
That's so nice.
So, I just want to say thank you, girls, so much for enjoying this, for being part of this interview. Nakaka-enjoy. Nakaka-good vibes pala tong interview na to. Do you have anything to say? Go right ahead.
So you can now stream our debut single, Tulala, on all digital streaming platforms. And abangan niyo po ang aming next single, which is entitled Tatlong Hiling, and it will be out on October 15 on social media.
And follow us po sa aming social media accounts at VVINKPH.
Yes, abangan natin yan. And by the way, October 15, parang special significance yan kasi lolo ko, yan ang birthday ng yumaong lolo ko nung yumaong lolo ko. So, very special talaga yung date na yan. So, thank you, girls, for choosing that day. Kahit, I love my lolo so much. Na-miss ko na tuloy siya. May God rest his soul. Last 18 years ago kasi siya namatay. Just so you know. Anyway, let's not be too personal. Baka maging personality-driven na itong show to. Anyways, thank you so much for watching CTV Exclusives. My name is Dom Holiday. This has been CTV Exclusive, your front row seats to the stars. We'll see you next week. Bye!
Bye! Thank you.